Hello everyone, welcome back to Construction, Safety and Health. Today we are going to continue on the topic of pre-construction OSH planning. The lesson outline. First of all, we are going to look at the definition of PPE, and then the factors affecting the use of PPE, and finally a few examples of PPE. The lesson outcome. By the end of today's lesson, you should be able to first, define PPE, second, understand the factors affecting the usage of PPE, and third, identify a few examples of PPE. Definition of PPE. Personal protective equipment, commonly referred to as PPE, is equipment worn to minimize exposure to hazards that cause serious workplace injuries and illnesses. These injuries and illnesses may result from contact with chemical, radiological, physical, electrical, mechanical, or other workplace hazards. Personal protective equipment may include items such as gloves, safety glasses and shoes, earplugs or muffs, hard hats, respirators, coveralls, vests, and full body suits. Factors affecting the use of PPE. There are a few factors which must be considered when selecting a few PPEs to be worn during work. First, we may look at the comfort. The results of a recent survey published by Occupational Health and Safety show that 70% of the respondents found that PPE to be too uncomfortable or too hot. Despite these findings, only a quarter of safety professionals were planning on upgrading to more comfortable PPE. Providing PPE that fits better and is more comfortable can go a long way towards encouraging the workers to wear the proper protective equipment. The second factor is culture. Workplace culture plays a major role in overall PPE compliance. The third factor is training. It doesn't matter how comfortable PPE is, whether it's eye and face protection, head protection, safety shoes, safety gloves, respiratory protection, etc. if workers are not trained on how and when to wear it. It goes without saying that workers should be properly instructed on equipment use. Finally is the state of mind. State of mind is perhaps the most important factor in influencing PPE compliance. If a worker is rushing or frustrated, then this state of mind is going to put them at a greater risk of not following your company's PPE regulations at that time. Examples of PPE. We are going to look at a few equipments that can be used as head protection, eye protection, hearing protection, mask, hand protection, body protection, and fall arrestor. This is the normal hard hat that is used in the construction industry. For eye and face protection, this diagram shows a few examples categorized into different classes. Selection of the suitable eye and face protection will depend on the work being done at the site. Hearing protection. These are examples of items that can be used for hearing protection. These are examples of masks that can be used in different situations at the workplace. Hand protection are also available for the different jobs that the workers are facing at their workplace. For body protection, there are different categories or equipment that can be used depending, again, on the work being done at the workplace. Fall arrestor. These are a few examples of equipments that can be used for workers when they are working at height at their workplace. That's all for today's lesson. Thank you.